first thing we do with the water is combine it with malted barley. This is regular barley, and this is malted barley. And the difference is, when we malt it, we roast it in an oven, and then we cut it up in pieces. And when we cut it up, the starch is set free, which is this white grainy substance. When you combine starch with water and you heat it up, it's turned into sugars. And we need those sugars to later convert into alcohol and carbon dioxide. That first stage of beer, that's the first stage of beer, it's called wort. You can taste it in the next room. It's very sweet, very healthy. Kind of tastes like sweet bread. You can taste it, by the way, if you want. It kind of tastes like dry popcorn. And the longer you keep it in your mouth, it's going to take a while, but the longer you keep it in your mouth, the sweeter it gets, because your saliva also turns it into sugar. Barley also gives the golden color to a beer. Then we add the hops, third ingredient. The hops, you can smell it. It's a very fragrant ingredient, very strong, very potent. The hops give most of the aroma and the very distinctive beer smell to a beer. Also the bitterness in the beer comes from the hops. The hops also work as a preservative. This is the reason why we don't need to use any additives of any kind. This is a natural preservative, so we don't need to use any additives. This will make sure your beer stays good for at least 6 months. And then we add the fourth ingredient, type A yeast. This is the secret ingredient in heineken. It's, well, as I said, the secret ingredient. Only 3 people in the entire world know the actual composition of the yeast. We've been using the same strain of yeast since 1886, and it's been secret since 1886. And what it does is a single-celled organism which slowly turns the sugars from the malted barley into alcohol and carbon dioxide. It's called the fermentation process. It takes about 28 days, and that is the main process which influences the smell and taste of the beer, how it drinks, how much carbon dioxide is in the beer. We've been using the same strain since 1886. It's been a secret ever since. And we grow one colony. We have only one colony, one main source in Zoetwater, our main brewery, where we keep it behind locked doors. And we grow it there, and we cut off pieces and send those pieces all over the world for our breweries to use. So it's always the same brewing process, no matter where we brew our beer. We get the hops from Germany and Czech Republic, the barley from France, and the water we purify ourselves. And it's always same ingredients, same process, same beer. And that's how we make the beer. You're welcome. Hope you guys listen to the tour.